look at that, it's so sweet. Well, known house.
But Shadow's out, so I can look at her.
Wow.
But Chris said that he's going to go look at her anyway.
Right, that's good. Wow. Right. That's good. Oh, it's really good what they've done. We are coming towards Babbacombe Model Village, and if anybody don't know what that is, it's a little miniature village of buildings and, you know, like little Torquay or little London. There's the car park if you want to come. Yeah, and this is the prices. You get weekly prices, a monthly or yearly. Yep, fish and chips. Garden. There we are. Oh, we're open on the 12th of April. That's a little... It's quite sweet. That's what it's called. And I'll show you inside. That'll be open on the 12th. Right. Oh, we're sitting on a nice bench at the moment, admiring the lovely view. And look at it. Oh, it's so beautiful. There's a doggy there. Hello, doggy. How are you today? Oh, hello. Hello. Are you friendly? There you go. Admiring the view. And it's so beautiful. Oh, lovely day for walks. Hello. Oh.
Lovely day.
Jago, come on.
Oh. What's his name?
Lovely day for walks.
Hello. You lovely dog.
Lovely day.
Hello. Oh my god, you're so fluffy. You must be so hot.
It's like your
Go on then, go, shoo shoo.
Come on then.
Come on.
Oh. Hello.
Hi,
Oh, I
dog.
think he likes
Hi,
us.
dog.
Yeah, I'll show you the lovely view. And there is the beautiful view we're looking out on. It is so pretty. And look at the colour of the sea. It's like you're somewhere else, like the Mediterranean or something. Really beautiful. So we do get good weather here. And look at that. Yeah. And there's Paige. Hello, Paige. She's on her phone. I think a lot of them that age likes being on the phone.
Mum, did you get a picture of me?
Yeah, hang on. As you can see, we're out on it's a lovely day today. It makes a change because when I'm usually out, it's usually raining. So it's really pretty. What's this over here? Oh. Oh. Rest in peace, Dad. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. Those rocks. It's like you're sort of like somewhere else, like the Grand Canyon or something, you know, in America. Really nice. That is so nice. Look at that, all the rocks, the red rocks. That's one thing about Torquay. It's all full of red rocks and things. Hi, I just made it to the top and we are on our way to Babbacombe now, and wish us luck. Well, I think it's downhill now.
I want to go home.
Once I go home, she was asleep earlier on.
I had a dream that I wasn't walking and I was at home. And I woke up and on a field, so...
Yeah, she fell asleep because we had a rest. Right, going down here on the way to Babbacombe.
Are we there yet?
No, we're not there yet.
Are we there?
That's what you used to say when you was little. Right, make sure it's quite slippery. So I'm going down, all the way down, and here she is overtaking. I'm too slow because I'm older than you. Oh look, she's stripping off now.
Hot.
Hot. Oh yeah. Oops, oh dear. I nearly went. Not drunk yet. Haven't had any gin. Oh, it's quite steep down there, look.
Look at the pretty flowers.
Yeah. Oh yeah, bluebells. Oh, they're pretty.
They look blue to me.
Yeah, bluebells. Yeah,
It's like more purple.
they're really pretty. I used to have loads in my garden.
Ooh, bees.
Oh, a lovely bee. I don't mind bees. It's the wasps I don't like. Right. Stop. Are you alright, Paige?
Yeah, careful. Huh?
Yeah. Make sure you hold on. Oops. Yeah. You hear the lovely birds in the trees.
Look at it.
Ah, it's pretty.
You feel like you're in Wonderland.
Yeah. Reminds you of Jurassic Park. The T-Rex is going to come out on us. I'll be running. Oh, sorry. Hi, I'm at Bygones. It's an old Victorian street building, and they have this is good for families. That's what they have in how the old Victorian live, and that's really good. And you've got this there. That's alright, the Victorian street. And oh yeah, we've got Queen Victoria and that. And oh, you've got the World War One trench experience. That's good. That's good. Yeah. And yeah, and Bygones. That's a really good place to go. So it's a really good place to go, and for a family day out. You can go for a nice walk, then you can take your children or stay on the beach and then take your children there when everything's back to normal.